Similar to the right click, you also have shortcuts, and we've worked with a few shortcuts already. I've told you how to save your work, Control Command S, instead of having to go every time to the bottom right hand corner and click here on update. That is just the master shortcut key that you have to remember. It just makes work so much easier when you just hit Control S, Command S on your keyboard. I really endorse you using that. And then the other one that you'll get used to a lot is undo, which is Control Command Z. Also here in the toolbar in the bottom, you will see you have an option for that. So if you cannot remember what the shortcut key is, you can go there to the Control Command Z. We've also talked about how you cycle through the different display views from desktop to tablet to mobile. You can go to the sidebar on the left and mobile view, select your tablet and then select mobile, or you can just use Control Command and then the plus and minus keys on your keyboard to cycle through it. And you can just keep, like now, I keep pressing plus. So I go tablet, desktop, and then next one, mobile. Tablet, desktop, mobile, or you can go the other way with a minus, and then you will cycle in the reverse, desktop, tablet, mobile, desktop, and so on. There are a few more shortcut keys. You go here to the exit button actually, and you will see the question mark that says shortcuts, and this will give you an overview of all the shortcut keys. I am on Windows, so it gives me Control. If you're on Mac, it's going to give you Command. On Windows, though, some of them don't work for me, and you can go through it and Control M and Control K, Command M, Command K. They've been added recently as new changes have been made to the builder. Let me show you what that is about. If I click here on this text and I quickly want to bring up the sidebar and I want to add an effect, that will be Control K. Yep, there we go. And it opens all the effects here that I have. Let's click outside to close it. Let's select an image, or let's select this text over here, and I want to add margins to it. Usually you have to go to the settings, styling, and then you can go to the margins here. But you simply click on it and go Control M. And I say M to think of margins. That's how I remember the shortcut key, Control M for margins. The other one that we saw there is when you want to bring in a new block, instead of having to click here, you can say Control Shift A. And that brings in that, plus Edge also opens. Go through the list here, and I would suggest every now and again just go and refresh your memory as to which of these guys are there that you can use them and get used to them.